It's bloody hard to convince your friends to play new tabletop games, especially non-Games Workshop games, and for whatever reason, they all require so much terrain. But I have a solution. Print and play terrain that is really easy to assemble, it doesn't look like it's from the 90s, and it's for free, because I just want you playing different games. You could use any material for this project, but none is more fitting than 5mm black foam board. I built these templates for speed, so I'm using spray adhesive and a really sharp knife, and we're going to cut and transfer these prints onto the foam board. You'll notice that there's two mirrored wall graphics. One you want to cut out roughly, and the other you want nice and clean. Whether or not this stuff will hurt your lungs, I don't know, but it will make your floor sticky. So regardless, outside if you can. Fresh blades make clean cuts. You might be tempted to waste your time with a ruler. Don't bother, doesn't matter. If it's inside the line, it's fine. If it's outside the line a little bit, it's fine. Just get it done. Just get it done. But also, be safe. I don't want any injuries. See these tiny little tears here? That means you need to change your knife blade. Am I going to change mine? No, I can't be bothered. I'll just keep pushing through, but just know that's a consequence. These little windows are so annoying to cut out, but don't overthink it. If they're a bit rough, it's fine. Now we just glue our clean cut side with our foam board side together, and we have wall. Aligning around the windows can be a little bit tricky, and just in general, you're probably going to get some overhangs where there's misalignments or you've done dodgy cuts or whatever. Totally fine. We just trim them up with a knife. Every material has its own strengths and weaknesses. Hot glue's strengths is that it's fast and forgiving. Its weaknesses is that it sucks and I hate it. But in this application, it's awesome. All right, let's make it interesting. Cool little coffins, scary face, ancient glyphs, more coffins. Some tattered banners. We don't need to glue this onto anything. We just need to cut them out. Big scary face is my favorite. Ta-da! For some variety, I also designed a little outpost. Take the platform, outpost platform, it's labeled. Cut it out quickly. Little platform. Take the outpost legs, and you can be really rough with it because it sort of adds to the aesthetic. Legs, base. Glue them down. All right, not bad. Supports, I'm typically really rough with these ones just because it adds a lot of character. Support beam. How's that? Little outpost. Really simple. Then barricades. Glue their little backs on. Now, you can have these little barricades as their own little thing. I like to glue them together just for stability. And now they'll definitely stand up on their own. I just cut up some barricade pieces and put on there as well. This wood is just lots of opportunities. For example, I also use that wood here to board up windows. This outpost, a little bit fancy, I've glued on the barricades to the top, and I've used more leg pieces for long supports on the side. Little outpost bridge, just like that, right? Dead easy. If you want to make your own, they're free, and in the description, they are free, which means that I probably won't make very much money on them. And I could monetize it, but I'd love for you to start playing some of my favorite games. But it really helps me out when you donate. So what I've done is I really wanted to reward donators. But I don't want anyone who can't afford to donate to feel like they're missing out. So if you donate $5, I thought I'll give you something you don't want. And you can have my dumb face as an alternative to this cool icon. I don't know. Bye.